Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to manage reminders on Ledger. So managing reminders in this app is a bit different from apps that have the full reminder center. Ledger mainly uses workouts, prompts, progress reminders, and coach messages to keep you consistent rather than a classic reminder system. So actually guys, first you will need to go with managing the reminders inside the app, on of course if available. Okay, so the latter's built-in reminders are usually tied to workouts or habits. So at first you will need to open your app and then just go ahead and tap on your profile icon or your profile picture that's located at the top right corner right here. So once you tap it, you will be able to see a gear icon, which means settings. So just tap on it. And here, guys, you will need to go and look for an option that's made say workout reminders, progress reminders, event notifications, and alerts. Okay, so just go ahead with the notifications right here, tap on that option, and then go with manage settings here, tap on it, and go with allow notifications. And now once you start a workout, you will get or you will be reminded by default. Okay, and these reminders are often used to prompt you to complete workouts, remind you to log progress or nutrition, and even notify you about coach updates. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.